Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome back to my ketogenic channel. Today I'm super happy because I found a genius recipe. Who doesn't like baked potatoes? And as you know, we cannot eat potatoes on a ketogenic diet. And I found a perfect option. I think it's even more delicious. I can bake and you can do it too. Radishes. Do you see them? I know, it's incredible because this doesn't taste like potatoes at all, but when they are baked, as I will show you, they will be so delicious that you will not miss potatoes anymore. I'm really surprised because I didn't expect that, so I'm super excited to show you this super easy and super ketogenic recipe. Let's go together to the kitchen. Today weather is nice, so after the recipe we can go together for a walk in beautiful Stockholm. But now the ingredients. To prepare these keto baked potatoes without potatoes, you will need radishes, extra virgin olive oil, powdered garlic and rosemary that will give a very good taste like baked potatoes, and salt flakes. I don't know if you call them crystals or with any other name. Please write it below and help me with my English, but I like this salt because it's very tasty. If you don't have it, you can use normal salt. Let's start by cleaning our radishes by cutting both extremities, the one with the green leaves and the opposite one with the white roots. But we should also cut these cute red balls in half, so they will bake also inside. Radishes are allowed on a ketogenic diet because they are a low-carb vegetable that contain very little calories and a lot of fibers. We are used to eat them raw and sliced thin, but during cold winter I definitely prefer them baked. What about you? How do you eat your radishes? Please let me know because I'm always looking for new low-carb, high-fat recipes. On the other hand, potatoes are not keto-friendly because even if they contain no gluten, they still have a high amount of starch and carbs, so they will quickly kick us out of ketosis. But we are lucky because these baked radishes will be even more delicious. If you are wondering about the carbs content, you should know that on a keto diet we count net carbs that you will find by taking the fibers out of your total carbs. For example, in these radishes, total carbs are about 3.9%, but 1.9 are fibers that don't have a significant metabolic effect, meaning it does not spike blood sugar levels, so net carbs are only 2%. These radishes are really super keto and super delicious. Now that they are all cut, you should wash them in cold water because even if they look very clean, they grow below ground, so they need to be washed. And here they are, all washed and shiny. Radishes are really a beautiful vegetable. I really like them because this color is amazing. They will not look the same after baking them, but they will be really yummy, so it's totally worth it. after drying them with a clean tea towel or with some kitchen paper, they are ready to be seasoned. I choose powdered garlic and rosemary because those flavors remind me of true baked potatoes. But if you have any other idea, I will be more than happy to try new spices and aromatic herbs. As you have seen, I've been very generous also with olive oil because it's super ketogenic with its 100% fat content, and I added a good amount of salt too because this treat should be full of taste. But now it's time for the tip of the day. The secret to get a super yummy side dish is that all your half radishes should be with the white part downside, touching the plate. So you are supposed to put into your oven a completely red looking dish. Only in this way, these little and cute balls will bake perfectly. The second tip of the day is to bake them at high temperature, so they will become a little brown and crunchy. I suggest 225 degrees Celsius, that are approximately 450 Fahrenheit, for 20 or 30 minutes, depending on the size of your radishes. But look how beautiful it's outside our window. Today I will bring you with me in a very special place, so don't miss the last part of this video. And here they are. As you can see, they look like red baked potatoes, and I promise you that they taste even better. Final tip, when you serve them, don't forget to add this oil on top, because your dish will be more ketogenic. In fact, as I always remind you, oil is 100% fat, and keto is not only a low-carb diet, but also a high-fat one. I hope that you like today's super genius recipe and you will consider subscribing to my ketogenic channel. So we can meet here every Monday with a video in English at 2 o'clock Italian time, but also on Wednesday with the same video in Spanish and on Friday in Italian. Please let me know if you prepare this recipe. I'm always super happy to receive your picture, your ingredients, your variation, your ideas, and please, please, please subscribe. You will help me growing and I will be even happier. Thank you so much. See you next week. Today we will visit together this iconic place, Sturtoriet, that means grand square. I'm sure you've seen it in many pictures because it is beautiful and it is also the oldest square in Stockholm. Usually, tens of thousands of tourists come here annually, but as we all know, this has been a very different year, so I'm happy to bring you with me visiting this beauty, even if it's very empty. I really miss traveling, so if you have a special place in the town you live, please send me a picture and let's help each other to discover new beauties. You can do it by private message on my Instagram account, called LCHF Italian, but you can also find it by my name, Barbara Minati. It will be fun to know each other a little better. And here you can see the other side of the square with the stock exchange building that is now the famous Nobel Museum and Library. Truly amazing.